Today for our math challenge, we'll be using Cuisenaire rods.
Cuisenaire rods were devised in the 1920s by the wife of Georges Cuisenaire, a Belgian educator.
He was a violin player who taught music as well as arithmetic. He wondered why children found it easy and enjoyable to pick up a tune, and yet that mathematics neither easy nor enjoyable. The rods can be used to develop a wide variety of mathematical ideas at many different levels of complexity. Since their widespread adoption in the 1950s, they have become a staple of classrooms around the world.
Look at your rods. You won't find any numbers. You will identify rods by color in relationship to other rods. A full set has 74 rods. At this STEM station, you will solve 3 puzzles and put your answers on the 3 lines on the ticket you got as you entered tonight. To achieve success, you will solve each puzzle to form a multiplication problem. Solve that problem as your ticket out.
At any time during the directions, you can pause the device and discuss that step with your family.
Let's start puzzle number 1. Locate a pack of Cuisenaire rods. They should be in a bag like this.
Puzzle 1. First, locate an orange rod and place it vertically in front of you on the table. It should not move. We will build everything else around this rod.
Next, find the rod that is 1/2 the length of your orange rod. Get 2 of that color.
Now create a right angle with one of the rods you just found at the top of the end point of your orange rod. Make the right angle on the left side of the orange rod.
Now put the other half-length rod at the bottom end point of each orange rod, perpendicular on the left side also.
Look back in your bag and find a lime green rod. Place it to the left midpoint of the orange rod perpendicular to the orange rod.
Okay, now look at your finished product. Hopefully yours looks like a number. This is the number you will write for puzzle number 1. You may now clear your area.
Now it's time for puzzle number 2. Step 1. Please find 2 purple rods and 2 dark green rods and build a square.
Next, find a rod that is 4 times the length of a red rod.
Now, place that rod down at a straight 180-degree angle to the bottom right corner of your square.
Okay, now look at your finished product. Hopefully yours looks like a number. This is the number you'll write for puzzle number 2. You can clear your space.
Now it's time for puzzle 3. Step 1 is to get 4 black rods. Lay the first 2 vertically and the second 2 horizontally. Have all 4 touching the other 3 at the end point. You should have 4 right angles but not a square. Tricky. Got it? Good. It should look like a coordinate plane, an X and Y axis.
Now step 2. Take out a rod that is twice as long as a yellow rod. Place that rod in quadrant 2, top left, at a 45-degree angle to the endpoints of the 2 black rods.
Next, take away the black rod that is to the right of the y-axis vertical axis. Okay, now look at your finished product. Hopefully it looks like a number. This is the number you write for puzzle number 3. You can clear your space.
Now you should have a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem. Find the product and write it on your ticket. Take it to the door of the cafeteria to have it validated. Thanks for coming to STEM Night.